Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Jed. Welcome back again. And today we are going to talk about how to make money. So this is the wealth blueprint. Everything you need to know about making money. So today we are going to talk about what is money, level 1, level 2, level 3 of making money, and conclusion. So what is money? Money is a medium of exchange or a tool human use to trade. So the harder you work, the more money you make. And this is how normal people perceive money. But entrepreneurs and the elites think differently. So what is money for entrepreneurs and the elites? So money is value. The more valuable you are, the more money you make. Now, how can you become a valuable person? Solve bigger problems. The bigger the problem is you solve, the more valuable you are. Let's talk about Elon Musk, for example. He's getting paid billions of dollars because he's solving a problem on how to put people in Mars. And Jeff Bezos, for example, he's solving a problem about how can you acquire a product while staying at home. Who else? Mark Zuckerberg. He's connecting people through the internet. So Mark Zuckerberg built Facebook in order to connect people online, and now he's getting paid billions of dollars. Does money buy happiness? This is a very common question on today's society, and the answer is yes and no. Why? Because money buys you freedom, and for a lot of us, freedom is happiness. But sometimes, because of our hunger for wealth, we tend to forget about the things that are actually valuable in life. Our health, family, relationships, and we don't appreciate a lot of little things that we used to appreciate anymore. Not everyone who is rich are happy. I've known a lot of people who have tons of money but they are not happy. Why? Because they are not healthy. Because they have a broken family. They don't have real friendships. And this is something sad about life. A lot of us thinks that money buys happiness, but you don't really need money to be happy. What you need is a healthy body, a family, your friends, and to be honest with you guys, happiness is only about appreciating the things that you have. I'm not saying that wanting more is bad, but while working for what we want, we should also appreciate what we have, right? So now, let's move on to the different levels of making money. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt you watching the video. If you wanna get an early access to all my videos like this, make sure to join my free Discord community, link in the description down below. Peace. Level 1, human resource. So what are human resources? Human resources are workers, skilled workers, and professionals. So, workers. Someone who is employed. So the workers make money by trading their time and energy. For example, your janitors, your drivers, people who work on a fast food chain because they are trading their time and energy for money. Now, let's talk about skilled workers. So, skilled workers are someone with specialized training or hands-on work experience. Skilled workers trade their time, energy, and skill for money. So they make more money than the workers. These are your plumbers, your locksmiths, and online, some of your video editors, thumbnail creators. So, there's a lot of people who are leveraging their skill in order to make money. Now, next, professionals. So, professionals are someone with a degree or extensive knowledge and education. So, they trade their time, energy, skill, and knowledge to make money. So, these are your teachers, these are your doctors, your lawyers, a lot of people who go to college in order to get a degree and make money from it. So these are the pros on becoming a human resource. So you have less risk and your job is more stable. And now let's move on to the disadvantages of becoming a human resource. So you are replaceable, you are dependent from your job, and you have no freedom. If suddenly you died tomorrow, your boss can easily replace you. And your money is also dependent to your boss. If your boss decided to not pay you, he will not pay you. And if your boss tells you that you should be there, you should be there. So you have no freedom. So now let's move on to the next level of making money. So the second level of making money is becoming a risk taker. So there are two types of risk takers: gamblers and hustlers. So what are these? Gamblers. Gamblers relies heavily on luck. So money plus luck is equal to more money. So these are the people who goes to casino, does sports betting. So multiplying their money relies on luck. Now, hustlers. So hustlers are the ones who takes calculated risks. Money plus luck plus knowledge plus skill is equal to money. So this is less riskier than becoming a gambler. So for example, crypto. Some of the people are saying that crypto is like gambling. But if you're doing your research right, if you're taking calculated risk, you know where to trade and where not to trade, crypto is hustling and not gambling. If you know when to buy and when to sell, that's hustling. But if you're just trading crypto without studying about the market, knowing what coins to trade, just buying and selling without any knowledge about crypto, that's gambling. Now, the pros on becoming a risk taker. If you're a risk taker, you get high rewards, you learn priceless lessons, and you have more opportunities. But the problem with becoming a risk taker is you have a higher risk of losing everything, more chances of failure, and more stress. So, I've been trading crypto before and it was so freaking stressful, bro. Now let's move on to the level 3, which is the elites. So there are 3 different types of the elites: the investors, businessmen, and entrepreneurs. Now, investors. These are the ones who use their money to make more money. So money plus knowledge is equal to money. So people ask, is there a chance that an investor could lose everything? Yes. So there is still risk in investing. Next, businessmen. So businessmen are the ones who uses assets and knowledge in order to make profit. So assets plus knowledge plus skill plus time is equal to money. So what are the assets that I'm talking about? Assets can be money and human resources. So the level 3 individuals hires the level 1 individuals that we talked about earlier. So if you're a businessman, you gather human resources and use them to make more money with your knowledge, skill, and time. Because, of course, you have to monitor them. You have to look at certain things, making sure that everything is going right in order for you to not lose your money. And the next one is entrepreneurs. So what are entrepreneurs? So entrepreneurs are the ones who are using their knowledge and assets in order to provide value to the market. So, assets plus knowledge plus skill plus time is equal to value. And value is equal to money, just like what I've said before. A lot of people confuse entrepreneurs from businessmen. So, what are the difference between entrepreneurs and businessmen? So, businessmen runs a business in order to make profit. But entrepreneurs runs a business in order to provide value into the market and money will follow. So, the main goal of businessmen are to make money, but the main goal of entrepreneurs are to provide value. And that's it. So, to conclude everything, here are the things that I want to share with you. First is, don't be lazy. If you're lazy, you can't make money. Second, invest in your knowledge and skill. Because the more knowledgeable you are and the more skilled you are, the more money you make. Third is take calculated risk. Don't take blind risk. And the next one is to aim to provide value and the money will follow. So don't chase money. Provide value. Because the more valuable you are, the more money is attracted to you. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next one. Peace.